Hi everyone, and first of all, sorry for keeping you waiting. It took quite a while to start the next 10 of my 20k subscriber series, so really sorry that I kept you waiting so long to get your paintings. Life was just too busy the last weeks to get them started, but my goal today is to finish all 10 of them, or at least 9 of them, because from one of you I still need the color and design wish. But I will send you an email when the time comes. So I've already mixed my colors, you can see them all here. It's all the colors that we are going to need for today's pours. Probably I will need to mix more of the colors every now and then, depending on how much I will need. But when it comes to mixture, it's all the same as I always do, and I do have a mixing video a couple videos back. So in case you're interested in seeing how I mix my paints and what consistency and all the basic stuff behind it, have a look at this video. So also sorry for the lighting. Today we have some sun, as you can see, and it's super sunny outside. It's still early in the morning, it's around 7 o'clock, but I cannot really shut the light out. So we will have to live with this for now. First off, we are going to start with all the pours that have no silicone in, because the paints yet have no silicone. And we will switch to the silicone containing ones later on, so that I do not have to mix even more cups of paints. And the first we're going to do is for Nancy, and she wishes purples, blues, green and a ring pour. Okay, let's see how this one dries. The blue is going to be darker and the green is actually a metallic green, so I hope this gives it a more shimmer when it dries. Perhaps some of the cells are going to come up. I'm not sure why, so I'm not so much sure why though, because there is no silicone in, but perhaps it adds to the piece in the end. So we will see how this one dries. Next one is going to be Sharon, and she wants a ring pour in whatever colors come to my mind. Why not go fancy and trying all of them? So the next one is for Day U, and it's a black, green and gold surprise. So let's make something different this time. Perhaps let's play with a negative space pour, because I so rarely do them. So let's make black as the background layer and green and gold as the flip cup pouring color. And the green is a metallic and the gold is a metallic as well. So the next one is for Jane. And it's going to be a swipe in cream, terracotta and earth tones. So as you might know, I'm not the best in swiping. Told you, I'm not good in swipes. So I hope this was somewhat the result you were looking for. At least the colors fit. So next one in the row is for Celia. And she requested a gold right in turquoise pour flip cup or chain pull. So let's see what we're going to do. Perhaps let's try a chain pull, because I actually never really did something like that for ages. And I don't have a chain, but I have this, what's it called? Yarn? Wool? This stuff. So I'm trying to make this work with this here. First I'm going to need something like a background, I guess. And I'm going for turquoise and blue for the background, adding some white and gold chain pull strings over it. We will see. So let's perhaps first make something like a flip cup there. And this is just for the color, there is no design intended here. So next one is for Miss H, and this one is a bit more tricky because she requested Prussian blue, teal, magenta, Prussian blue hue, Phthalocyanine blue red shade, and technique of my choice. Problem is I don't have Phthalocyanine blue red shade, So I have to cross this one out, and I don't really have Prussian blue. So this is something I mixed together from other blues, which I think might work out as Prussian blue as possible, but it's not the original one. And having looked up on Google how it actually looks like, I got about 20 different shades. So I hope this is fine for you. Let's see, I'm going to make a negative pour again, I think. And I will start out with the Prussian Blue Fake Mix as the base. No, I will wait with this one. And first make the cup with the other colors, which is the Cyanine Blue, which is the Magenta, and the Teal. All these paints do contain silicone. The Prussian Blue Fake Mix has no silicone. And I'm probably... I might need to add some of the phthalo blue in the background as well. I'm not sure if this is enough paint. It probably is. And just a quick cutscene, because this video is going to be too long. I have just finished editing all the footage and this turned out to be 35 minutes, which might be a bit too much for one video. So I decided to split it into 2 videos and the next one will come on Friday, I think. So, but look what happened with my 20k balloon over time. But he's still smiling. So thank you for watching so far. I hope you liked the first results, and I will show you the finished results filmed in sunlight and varnished when the entire video is done. So it will be at the end of the next video where you can see all the finished ones. As usual, you can find all my social media links down below in the video description, along as the materials that I have used. If you are in Germany, you can use the Amazon links to use the same products as I have used. And of course, I would be super happy if you could share this video with your friends and everyone who would like to see it. And give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you are new to my channel and have not seen so many of my videos. So if you're new, you can head over to my playlists, and there is one which is called Awesome Results, which I consider to be awesome results, and you might want to start with those. Or if you're in Germany, you can use the Amazon affiliate links down below in the video description as well to get the products that I am using, which will give me a small commission from the Amazon links, but with no extra cost for you, of course. And for you US guys, I just recently teamed up with Arteza, which has great colors. I will test them out in many more videos to come. And they also gave me some affiliate links that you can use down below as well for the European and the US guys. So if you are using Arteza or want to give Arteza a try, which I can really recommend, you can use my links as well to support me on the same level as for the Amazon links. So this was enough self-advertising. I really hope this video was fun and you can't wait to see the next part. So have a nice evening, thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and other than that, we hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.